Here's how to bulk delete emails in Yahoo Mail. Now open up a web browser on your iPhone, Android, or computer and just go to your Yahoo email. Now you can always delete them one by one by just selecting that email and tapping on delete at the bottom, or opening up the email and then tapping on delete. But let's say you want to delete every single email in your inbox or elsewhere. The first thing that you're going to do is select one email. And now you'll be able to see at the very top, it says one selected. And at the top left is a little square with a line through it. Just tap on that and it will select all of your emails. Now keep in mind, this might not select every single one. It might select 100 emails or something like that. But there might be an option at the very top that says select all of the emails in that entire inbox, or wherever it may be. Now to delete them, just tap on the delete option at the bottom left. And just like that, you will have deleted everything from that Yahoo email box.